Disney has been at the forefront of creating safety technologies that we use in our rides, attractions, and experiences around the world. And we've also been taking those into other aspects of safety, such as food safety. There's a process that's been adopted around the world for food safety called HACCP. That stands for Hazards Analysis and Critical Control Points. What that does is allow you to control the things that make food safe. Most people around the world use paper logs to actually record those critical temperatures and measurements that they make. Years ago, Disney actually partnered with a company called iCertainty and created a handheld technology and software to prompt the user on when to take measurements and where to take those measurements and collect all that data into a central system we call chefs.
This system allows us to track food as soon as it touches our loading dock, all the way to the time just before the guest enjoys their first bite. No more paperwork.
A chef's system is one-stop shopping, if you will, for all the checklists and data that you're required to have, such as the data regarding warewashing, hand washing, one of the most fundamental things in food safety. It's as simple as a click of a button or touch of the screen and capture the data and move on to the next task. Capturing temperatures, making sure our coolers are sustained at the right temperatures, making sure our product is safe to eat as well. Capturing food as it's cooking to ensure it's cooked to the right temperatures and safe for consumption.
So this is one of the greatest benefits of the chef system, is that we're able to maintain a repository of information that we can track over time. We have data sitting in a data bank that we're able to track to make sure that if there is something that has gone wrong, that this system will actually prompt you to correct that immediately, and is almost a goof-proof system of how to correct issues if issues arise. So just imagine the benefit for other companies, especially large chains which have to maintain this type of information over 2, 3, 4, 500 stores across the country.
We decided years ago to actually share our safety and accessibility technology to help make the world a safer place and to help make the world more accessible. To do that, we've taken all of our expertise, know-how, and technology and actually licensed other companies to make that available to non-Disney entities around the world.
The chef system has improved safety within our kitchen, and the most critical thing for us within food service is making sure our guests receive food that's safe for them to consume. As far as consistencies go, we are now able to capture real-time data and act upon it almost immediately. With pulling reports, we can see where most of our focus is needed. We're able to correct a lot of incidences before they actually become an issue. With the chef system, you can actually pull reports right from the device and see what's done and what's not done, versus paperwork where you actually have to follow a trail and be able to find all these items. It's just been a great tool for food safety and safety in general.
I always ask the question, would you get on a plane where a pilot went through their 500-item checklist and just tried to do it out of memory? What if you missed one? If you're the pilot, I wouldn't want to get on that plane. It's the same thing. Food safety is that critical for us. Safety has been one of the most prized values of our company, and the chef system really helps us administer food safety. And food safety is one of the most critical responsibilities we have in the food and beverage line of business.